ang pag-asa talaga natin dito si Secretary Anyo. Because sa lahat na ito, it's aside from us here in Manila, sa probinsya, it's always the mayor, municipal mayor, and the city health officer, plus the barangay captain. The most influential dyan sa barangay is really the barangay captain. And if the mayor, kanya-kanyang assessment, kanya-kanyang ano, without being yung sa Davao ngayon, ang mayor doon nag-curfew. The curfew was originally 7 o'clock. Then there were a lot of complaints. It's been moved to 9. But kung ganun sila zealousness ang trabaho nila, and with the push of Secretary Anyo sa lahat, make them obligatory. Kasi itong mga barangay captain, actually, government has the perfect setup. You have the president, then you have the governors, then you have the city mayors, municipal mayors, then the different barangays. Alam mo, ang pinaka ano diyan is the mayor and the barangay captains. So make it an obligation of them to really strictly follow also the whatever direction that we take in this fight against COVID. There has to be a unanimity rather in the modality, kasi pag hindi kanya-kanya o tamad-tamaran. So it behooves upon the Secretary of Health to also to move them to action. Walang magtamad-tamaran. Ganito na lang. If they are not at par, in parity with the rest of the nation, di palitan natin sila. In the meantime, we do not remove them from office. Palitan, just move aside, and maybe the vice mayor can do it. Ganun na lang ang gawin. That's my suggestion to Secretary Anyo. If they are not doing the very things that are important to in this fight, yung iba to take it as just an ordinary thing. They do not really, maybe they have not realized the seriousness. Then we can always move them. We do not remove them from office. We just step aside and assign the next thing, the persons who can do it, including the mayors. Makikita mo yan sa spike that you were talking about. Kung mag-spike ang isang barangay, then sa surveillance and sa investigation, we should be able to determine why. Bakit? Kasi yan, sa health authorities na yan, kay Secretary Duque yan. But push them hard, Secretary, and tell them that, well, we are live. I hope that this will be heard by everybody. Talagang obligasyon ng mayor yan to protect public health. It's not Indian, iyo talaga yan. Hindi mo pasa yan sa iba. That is your job. That is your function. So mayors must exert efforts na sa kanilang kanilang munisipyo at barangay is working. And they can push hard also the barangay captains. Yung mga barangay captains na hindi ito matrabaho and the surveillance in Manila would just notice that there is a spike in your barangay, then we will investigate why. No, Mr. Peg. So if others, compared to the others, yours is in a worse situation, tell me why is it like that? Yung trabaho talaga ng gobyerno to eh. It's not the job of any just anybody. It falls heavily on the shoulders of government. So yung struktura na yan, we have to make use of it because that is what is intended for in the first place. That structure there is part of the governance that the government has at least control over the events mangyari sa ating bayan. This time, lahat tayo. I said it behooves upon everybody who's with government to contribute. Dapat lang gawin ninyo, kinig kayo sa sinasabi ng yung surveillance talaga importante. And well, if there's a lot of people who are sick, then maybe the government, the national government would also contribute something to control the pandemic in your place.